Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is singular and plural nouns. We'll write the plural forms of nouns. But before that, let's review what is noun. A noun is a naming word for a person, place, animal, or thing. When we say singular noun, we refer to only one person, one animal, one place, or one thing. For example, a dog. There is only one dog. On the other hand, plural means two or more persons, places, things, or animals. For example, two dogs. To form the plural form of most nouns, we simply add s to the noun. For example, singular of one bag, we write a bag. To write the plural form, we count how many bags are there. Then add s to the noun bag. There are two bags. So we will write two bags. We put the number and added s. Singular form, a boy. Plural form, 5 boys. Let's focus on plural form. We see 3 schools, so we will write 3 schools. The plural form of a cat is 6 cats. Let's review the basic rule in forming the plurals of nouns. The rule is add s to the noun to make it plural in form. Now that you know how to write the plural form of a noun, it's your turn to do this. You may pause the video if you need more time. Let's do this! A pencil. Two pencils. An umbrella. Three umbrellas. A chair. Six chairs. An elephant. Five elephants. An eraser. Four erasers. A book. Six books. Identify if the noun is singular or plural. 4 erasers. Plural. An elephant. Singular. An eraser. Singular. Six books. Plural. 3 umbrellas. Plural. Good job! I hope that you learned something today. See you on our next episode.